I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. J Dolls UK and Rosie's Toy Chest and I are hosting the Nightmare Before Christmas Dolls Gone Goth coming up on December 16th. Couple of things. You can do anything you want. Just it needs to have the theme of Nightmare Before Christmas and the hashtag Dolls Gone Goth Nightmare. Rosie's joining us, and when you go watch Rosie's video, leave her a subscription. Let's get her channel built up to 125 this December. What a fun Christmas gift that would be for her. You can also subscribe to J Dolls UK and I. We appreciate it also. The date for the Dolls Gone Goth Nightmare Before Christmas is, of course, the 16th of December. It's always the 16th, the Dolls Gone Goth. Coming up in January will be Creepy Clowns. This girl here will look different pretty soon. I'm going to be doing a face-up on her. Again, you can do anything you want. You can use any doll you want. You do not have to use any certain type. You do not have to do face-ups. You do not have to sew. You don't have to. Just show us something with your dolls. Nightmare Before Christmas. We really appreciate everyone that participates in our challenges. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Thank you, Jay and Rosie. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to all three channels. Actually, to every channel you visit. Let's build one another up. If you want your channel to grow, help others grow. Thank you for watching.